Now, real number and their decimal expansion. What? Real number and their decimal expansion means how real number can be expanded into the form of decimal. Okay, so actually decimal expansion are of two types: terminating and non-terminating. And further, non-terminating are of two types: repeating and non-repeating. Actually, non-terminating, repeating are those decimal expansion in which after some digits are repeating. Let us try to understand with the help of example. As for example, 2 by 5. So 2 by 5 is what? 0.5. After that it will not come. It will not come anything. So that is terminating. Similarly, root 2. Root 2 means 1.414 up to so on. It will not end. So that is what? Non-terminating. Non-terminating and also non-repeating. It will not repeat. Similarly, another example, 3 by 7. So it will come 0.428571. After that it will repeat. So when it will repeat, so it is denoted by the bar. Bar on these number means 428571 means if we further divide, it will come 428571. Then again 428571. Again 42857. It will repeating, but it will not terminating. Not terminating means what? The remainder will not come 0. So this is the example of non-terminating, repeating. Non-terminating, repeating. As for example, like 10 by 3. 10 by 3. 3 is a 9.3. 10.3, 3 up to so on. So here what? 3 is repeating. So we will how to write it? 3.3 bar, not this. Means 3 bar means what? 3 is repeating. So this is also non-terminating, repeating number. Okay. So this may be question may be asked. Identify which one is terminating, which one is not non-terminating, which one is non-terminating, repeating and non-repeating. Question may ask like that. Okay.